First, we'll start by putting the seat cover directly over the main driver's position. And put the cushion covers on. Attach the 3 retaining clasps. Tuck the fitted retaining clasp into the gap. Tuck the edges in with a pry board tool. Next, attach the 3 fasteners to the bottom of the cushion in 3 places, and tucked into the crevices. Unclip the 2 clips from the bottom behind the main driver's seat. Pull out the white snaps you just tucked in one by one to hold them in place. Attach the silver iron hook to the white tape, and fasten to any iron position on the seat bottom. Next, the passenger seat cover is installed using the same method. Put the armrest box cover on and organize the package, and stick the Velcro to fix it. Start by lowering one side of the rear seat until it reclines. Lift the cushion upwards using a small pry bar while holding down the adjustment button to remove the cushion. Lower the center backrest. Attach the corresponding seat cover directly. Note that you need to pass the seat cover through the seat belt. Adjust alignment and zipper up the zipper. Pull the white part of the front bottom Velcro through the back slit. Attach the back part to hold it in place. Put the headrest cover directly over to organize the right fit and attach the Velcro to it, putting the headrest back in place. Next, remove the headrest from the center backrest with a tool. Put the sleeve of the water cup holder directly on, and tuck the bottom position into the seam, and then pull it out from the top. Fit the pulled-out Velcro to the top. Next, holster the lower side and tuck the excess holster into the slit with the white plate. Lower it down, then back and pull the front holster out. Attach the back holster neatly. Attach the center headrest cover and Velcro it in place. Tilt the center cushion slightly and install the headrests. Then remove the headrest on the other side. Organize the entire holster in place. And tuck the extra holster into the slit. Then pull it out from the seam and attach it to the Velcro on the back. Attach the headrest cover and organize the fit, then recover the headrest. Lift the cushion slightly at one corner, then lift the center and pull it out, taking care not to lift it completely. The whole cushion can be removed by unplugging the connecting plug here. Next, align the cushion cover and flip the cushion over the back to secure the straps. Align the mounted cushion with the seatbelt buckle holes and restore it.